In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Visual Studio Code in Windows. Visual Studio Code, often called VS Code, is a lightweight but powerful code editor from Microsoft. It's completely free and works great for many programming languages, so getting it installed correctly is an important first step if you're starting with coding or development on a Windows machine. Let's begin right from your desktop. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, click on the address bar or search bar at the top of the window. Type in Visual Studio Code and press enter on your keyboard. This will run a quick search for the official Visual Studio Code website. On the search results page, look for the result that clearly says Visual Studio Code, the open source code editor, or something very similar, and that comes from the official domain, which is code.visualstudio.com. It's important to choose the official site so you know you're downloading the real safe installer and not something from a third-party source. Click on that official Visual Studio Code link. This will take you to the Visual Studio Code homepage. The site usually detects that you're on Windows automatically. On the main page, you should see a prominent button that says Download for Windows. This is the installer for the stable Windows version of VS Code. Go ahead and click the Download for Windows button. After you click it, your browser will start downloading the installer file. Depending on your browser, you might see the download progress at the bottom of the window, at the top right corner, or inside a small downloads panel. Wait for the download to complete. It should only take a short time, depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, you're ready for the installation step, which you can usually start by clicking on the downloaded file directly from your browser's downloads area, or by opening your downloads folder in Windows and double-clicking the Visual Studio Code installer. And that's it for downloading Visual Studio Code on Windows. In the next part of your setup, you'll just follow the installer's prompts to finish installing, and then you'll be ready to start coding with VS Code.